I didn't realise they're actually like nearly torturing these animals and breaking their spines and killing them and chopping their heads off and stuff. Like, it's just disgusting.
It's forceful tubing down necks. It's removal of body parts. It's no anesthesia. It's cruelty.
It's just disgusting. Yeah, horrified. Horrified.
It's just tough.
I'm getting really angry. Turn it up. Yeah, turn it up. Please join me.
And sign the Say Cruelty-Free Cosmetics.
Animal testing on your cheeks. All your cosmetics got digested. They put it in his eyes, he got injected. Heading to his death cause he's so infected.